This option allows you to configure the default temperatures for the different operating modes: Comfort, Eco, and Anti-Frost. To begin, go to Menu. Settings. Temperature configuration. First, set the temperature for Eco mode between 10 and 18.5 degrees. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired temperature and confirm by pressing the center button. Next, set the temperature for Comfort mode between 19 and 30 degrees. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired temperature and confirm by pressing the center button. Finally, set the temperature for Anti-Frost mode between off and 9.5 degrees. Confirm by pressing the center button. Remember that to save the changes, you must complete the configuration for all 3 temperature modes until you reach the final confirmation screen.